Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the NX software, its interface, and the some of the options which are basics, which is need to start a new session. So let's welcome you in RUJIKE 3D software tutorials. So this what you see here. This is the window when you're going to open the things. You going to open the NX software, you see this window. Okay, so same window everywhere every time you going to open the NX. So this is on the top, it is known as the quick access toolbar. Okay, I highlight it so you can understand easily. This is the quick access toolbar. Okay, here the symbol, basically this is the tab for new file, which is the tab always we want. So it is in the quick bar. The name itself suggests it is a quick access toolbar. Whatever the you want to access quickly, you find out here. Okay, you can customize this, I explain you later. Okay, so this is the folder for, or the icon for opening the previous files. Okay, the same, both the same icon you can see here also. The same icon are here. Okay, so this is the quick access, just for you can access it quickly. Okay, so this is for the you can change this to the touch mode. This Okay friends, whatever I highlight in the yellow box, or I just change the color for your understanding purpose. This is whatever the highlight in this green color box is the window, which is used for the multiple parts. When we are going to open the multiple parts, this window is used. We used it later on when we are go for the assembly purpose, so you can get the exact idea of how to use this. Okay, so now from here, you get the name of your part or part file. Whatever you write, just if I write the piston, then when you open that piston file, then extend piston file, the name is indicate here. This is just a symbol, and minimize, maximize, or the cross button is here. So this is the intro of quick access toolbar. Then just below this, I just highlight it so you can understand easily. This whole is just a menu bar. In this there are many tabs like file, home, tools, and when we are going to open the modeling part, or in the next section after 10 to 15 minutes, when we are going to start our modeling part, so we find out many tabs like assembly, cows, and many more. Okay, just like this. This is the find command when you are working in the graphic window. You want any command and you forgot where it is, so you just find out here which command you want. Okay, you just find out here. I just indicate it from where. Okay, this is the find a command, the name. So here everywhere the name, the nomenclature is like that, you can easily understand what the purpose itself. Okay, so this is just for, okay, sorry friends, this is just for the full scape screen, or we can say that full screen application, when we are going to present any model to your office, or to any professor, or anywhere. So you can just have your model, you no need to modify it, so you no need any options which are in this place when we are going to modify modeling. Okay, so you can use the full screen command, and this is just for nothing but to minimize the ribbon bar. And now what the question is, what is the ribbon bar? So I would like to explain you what is the ribbon bar. I just draw it for you. So friends, this is the ribbon bar. Here you find many options, number of options you are going to find here when we start modeling. So just hold your curiosity. Then few are there on the interface only. So new, open, new and open. I already told you what is the function of new and open. The next is, the next is open a recent part. So whatever the part you are did it early, or just 2 to 3 weeks, or before that, so you can open it from here. This is the load assembly function. Okay, this is the load assembly function when you are going to load any assembly. This is the customer defaults. Okay, so just we open it and get the things what we want. Okay, so this is a general what, like we kind of the unit default you want, and all the kind of the things when you want, you can just change according to you. The kind of the object, the width of the line, the line font, many things, many more things are there. So much setting, and we don't want these settings uh, in our few sessions. But when we are going for the advanced level, we learn how to do all this. Okay, so we learn all these settings afterwards. So the next command, or the next step, is not so important for our designing purpose, but it is important when you have a touch screen capability laptop, or a screen have a touch capability. Then this is the important command you like. The same is here. Okay, so you can access from here also and here also. This is the window, the same command is here, you can see that. Sorry friends. Okay, so you get the idea of this, and I already told you this is the ribbon bar. Okay, so now just below the ribbon bar, I the annex give us the option of top border bar. Here this works when you are going to modeling anything, so you get some constraint or some type of the options like view. Kind of the view is indicate here. Okay, so let me see it afterwards. So this is the menu, and you get all the options like file, view option, all the many options. Preference, you like the preference, so how you want the user interface, visual performance, and many more. So this we are not required for the basic purpose. Next, you think that what this bar is for. This is nothing but a resource bar option. So many of the resources, like the library, from which we can use the multiple standards part when we are going to design the ANSI standards part, like bolt. We have the hexagonal head bolt, nut, pin, screw, washers, and many things. Here the metric, these all the things are in the inches. Here the things are is the metric, the din, and many more things are here. So when we are going to modeling the component, we use directly from here the bolt. No need to just design the bolt and waste your time. So these the things which can save your time when you are going to model. Okay, so this type of the things is here. Here the search, the kind of the things you want to search here. Nothing, just these are the basic things. Member selected, so the member which we are going to select the standard parts, and we select the metric, and here the hexagonal head. Okay, so here it shows the house, the hexagonal head bolt is here. Okay, so the kind of the things here, how you want to see this picture, like this, or the preview, the kind of the preview here, and exact preview is here. Okay, it shows you how your nut is going to be if you use this nut. Okay, if you want another design, then you can do it by yourself. Okay, just this is for the information, or this this tab is HD 3D tools. So these tools is have much importance in your software or in your model. You can check either the model is manufacture is have the ability to manufacture, or you did the design is able to manufacture or not, and many things you can check from here. It's a checkmate list, so the software automatically check in the your requirements what for your model is. You can accordingly check the design purpose. Okay, so this is just like a web browser. You can search the things. If you don't know, then just go in the web browser and check. We can use the another web browser, as we all know, the Chrome. Okay, so this is the history. What the this is one of the important thing, and not important but more utilized thing. Okay, so here the things like your old entities 3 week ago, past week, the model you made 3 week ago is shown here, the past week model you made is shown here, just like that, nothing more. And yes, this is the one of the good, or we can say the important kind of icon. There's a role, what kind of the role you are going to play here in the NX software. Like you are in the advanced level, so you can choose the advanced, and the function is just changed like the advanced. You can see here what kind of role it gives you the introduction about it. Okay, so when you click OK, just it change the function. You can't able to see here, but when you are going to the modeling part, or you are going to for the analysis or anything, then it shows you the options like advanced. Okay, so cam advanced, cam express, essential. Okay, so what we have called the basic here in the NX, it is known as the essential, which is must required. Essential, that means must required. So what the things you are learning which is must required, so the function NX shows you is for the essential for the beginner. Okay, so for we are just select the option like essential. So the beginner, you can select this option and start your modeling if you are beginner. Okay, so I think you see this video, and so you are maybe the beginner only. So this is the default role of or the default interface of the NX. Here the touch panel, the just beside it. Okay, just beside it here the touch panel, and here the touch tablet. If the NX is able to install in your touch tablet, then you can uh, choose this option. Just this is the intro of the interface. Thank you friends. If you like the video, then just press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends so your friend can get the benefit.